Friday. It is the end of the retreat. This, believe it or not, was the sewing room a couple of hours ago. So we've got the projector set up and we're going to be watching Wednesday's episode of The Great British Sewing Bee because we haven't seen it yet. At least I don't think anyone's seen it yet. We're going to have a little bit of a photo on the stairs, the grand staircase, with our maid bag. I have my very loud silk pyjamas on, and it's been an absolutely amazing retreat. I have had such a wonderful time. I'm really looking forward to my pizza tonight though. Look at all the beautiful bags. Very, very, very beautiful. So 1, 2, 3. Hey! There was no more prompting than that. You guys are good. Have you had a wonderful, I was going to say weekend, but it's been a week, hasn't it really? Yes. Yes, this is good. This is good. Are you all very tired? Is that why you're always very subdued? Yes. Have I worked you very, very hard? Yeah. But look at all the gorgeousness. We shall have a look at those closely later. But yes, I'm very glad that you've all come. It's been so lovely to see you all. Thank you. Hey peeps, happy Sunday. Welcome back to the sewing room. There is a very lovely Erica Lee. Just there. Look there. We've just done a live hangout. The neighbour is, I think, either mowing his garden or leaf blowing his garden or doing something to his back garden, so that's what the noise is every now and again. So we are in the process of cutting out our Hiraeth bags, which is very exciting. We both bought the same bundle of fabrics from the Stitching Elmers 3 years ago. Fabric has gone, I think I've told you this a million times, haven't I? But never mind, I'm telling you again. The fabric has gone all the way to Seattle and back. Yeah. And it's now being cut out on the Isle of Wight to make our Isle of Wight Hiraeth bags, which is very exciting. We got all the Mora cut out for me and turns out Erica last night, and we are now cutting out the actual fabric pieces, which is awesome. And at some point today we're either going to get to the interview with Erica, which would be very cool, yes, or we might actually get to sewing, one or the other. I've got you for all of today, all of Monday and all of Tuesday, haven't I? So we need to plan our time wisely. So I'm going to get on with cutting out my circus hot air balloon fabric, and I will show you what we're dealing with a bit later. It is much later on in the day, but I have a pile of bag pieces back there that will soon turn into a pile of interface bag pieces, which will soon turn into a pile of made items, which will soon turn into a Hiraeth. That is the plan. It'll be fine. It'll be totally fine. Yeah, we've just done the little interview that I was going to film with Erica to put out to you guys on the 21st of May, so you have that to look forward to. And I've now set a date in real life, so I have to stick to it, which is awesome. I do better with deadlines. It's going to be good. So yeah, it's been a really lovely afternoon. Have you enjoyed the sewing room?
Yes, I have.
This is good. She's behind you. So yeah, it's just been really nice being in here with people again. Like, I mean, person. Like last week it was people, this week is person, but it's been really, really nice. So I'm going to get on with my interfacing, and I will report back later and show you how far we've got.
1 hour later.
Okay. Erica's just finished prepping my stuff for me. Erica has very kindly agreed to do some of my prep work for me, but it's a bag! Isn't it beautiful? I mean, it will be. It will be tomorrow. We are going to call it a night now. We've had a long day on our feet, haven't we? Yeah. Yes. So Dad is cooking us dinner. We're having trout of some description or another, which is exciting. And then we're going to go and watch the new Doctor Strange movie, which I'm very much looking forward to. So I'm going to say goodnight to you guys. We'll be back tomorrow for some more waffle and hopefully nearly, if not completed, bags. We shall see. See you tomorrow. Bye. Hey peeps, welcome to another video. That's not how I start my waffles. It's been a really long week. Hey peeps, welcome back to the sewing room. Something like that. I can't remember. Erica is still here. Hang on. And you've got a very different view for me today because I am using Precious, Mum's machine. She has nicknamed it Precious because Erica is using mine, because Erica was sewing at the retreat on mine, so it just made sense to let her continue to use it because Mum's is very different operating system, so I'm on the learning curve today. We have our Hiraeths all cut out, prepped and put into their bundles to be sewn. I am really looking forward to this, and also kind of slightly terrified of fluffing it up on Mum's machine because, you know, fun times. But I have some practice faux leather. This is the marine coloured Mora. I got this from So Hot. I will link it in the description down below. Wish us luck. Fingers crossed we should have, hopefully, bags sort of to show you later. I have my pain clinic appointment at 2:15 today, so I'm going to go and do that. Fingers crossed I'll come back with some kind of answers, or like, you know, a schedule or a program or like something to kind of help with that. But yeah, so I am going to be out for a little while, but bag sewing, lots and lots of bag sewing. Wish us luck.
A few moments later.
I have many straps and handles and strap connectors and things, and I have 2 wrist straps because they're not got their rivets in yet, but you know, you always have to have a matching wrist strap. And I mean, it's not finished yet, but it's got piping in it, which you probably can't see. It's stripy piping. I'm having to down tools and head off to my pain clinic appointment, but fingers crossed that's going to be a good thing. So I'm leaving Erica unsupervised in the she's making so no moving the mannequin and don't steal any fabric. I'll frisk you when I come back. She's like, I'll steal the fabric. I'll see you in a bit.
2 hours later.
I'm not sure if I've told you I'm back from the pain clinic, but I am, and they're going to try me on a whole bunch of other drugs. No opioids, don't worry. I know loads of you were really worried about me getting addicted to drugs. It's not going to happen. The pain management, the way that they do it in the UK at least, they stay off that as much as they possibly can. So I have a whole bunch of new drugs to try. Fun times. I have also realised the error of my ways. I'm making a bag, the same exact bag as the bag designer, and I mean, I've chickened out. I'm not doing contrasting top stitching, but I have panels. I have panels. Can I show them your panels? Erica is doing contrasting top stitching because she's brave. So got the white top stitching, and we've got the the chicken and the brave one. But we've even done piping. That's that stripy stuff there, and it's a pocket. So I am a Bag of the Month Club member, just for anyone that's watching this saying, why are you getting Hiraeth ahead of anyone else? I am a Bag of the Month Club member. I did purchase the club for this pattern specifically ahead of time before even seeing it, but I'm very, very lucky that I'm getting the tutor, the designer, to actually tell me. Although I have to say it is a testament to how good the pattern is, because I'm not having to ask her anything. I'm just following along as I'm told. So yes, but we have panels. Need to start getting the rest of my outsides ready and then move on to my lining by the looks of things. So that's next.
12 seconds later.
The pattern is mean. The self-restraint it's taking to not turn this the right way out to have a look at it. I'm impressed with myself. I am very impressed with myself. But look, I got a bag! Beautifuls. Totally beautifuls. Very impressed with my little matching points and stuff here as well, but it's mean. She's giggling at me. But it's integral to not turn your bag through at this point, because you have to drop your lining in. You drop this into your lining, or you're doing something later, which is very exciting, which means you can't turn it through yet. Mean. Mean.
A few inches later.
It's really weird seeing at Mum's desk. It's definitely not big enough. So I get to turn it through. I'm very excited. And I've been given special permission to show you the turning of it through. I've heard that this is one of the easiest births ever. Was that it?
You still have to turn it.
Well, yeah, but that's
the birth part.
That's the birth part. That was very easy. And then I have to turn it all the way through and like the outside out. I mean, that would help, wouldn't it? So exciting. So I, being the well-prepared person that I am, did not have any of the appropriate stabilizers or stuff, so we've kind of made this one up, and it's going well so far. I am kind of making a hash of this. That was a very easy birth. So I didn't have feet in stock, so I'm going to order those, and I've marked their placement, and I'm going to come back and put those in later. It's almost a bag! It's so pretty! Okay, Okay, that's all the sneaky peek you're gonna get.
A few moments later.
It's, oh, hello. That's better. It's 20 to 10, but she's coming, she's coming. We did it! This actually, the only difference is the top stitching. Erica went for contrasting and I went for matching because I'm a chicken and she is brave. And obviously Erica has her little lavender and twine plaque, and I went for a red zip.
Yes.
And you've got a...
Mine is black.
Yeah. But... Oh, and I did not understand the assignment and did not prepare for like the levels of interfacing that this bag requires. So mine's a little bit of an experiment. So mine is definitely smooshier than Erica's. But I'm definitely doing this. This is Decoville Light. And I've got like a combination of Decoville Heavy and then just some coat, actually couture coat interfacing in here, which has worked fairly well for sure. But for Mum's one, because Mum's making one as well, definitely going to get the Decoville Light. But yeah,
good call.
It's been really fun.
At the bottom.
Oh yeah, I haven't got my feet yet. They're on their way. I have their places marked, so as soon as they've arrived, I've left my interior zipper pocket bottom open so I can install the feet, and then I can properly finish the bag. Oh, and the strap ends as well. I really didn't understand the assignment. It's been really nice, hasn't it?
Yeah.
We got it fully sewn today. We prepped the pattern on Saturday, cut it out yesterday, fully sewn today, and not like full intensive days of sewing.
Yeah,
We've been doing
we're doing other things.
Yeah. Has it been nice sewing in the
It's
sewing
been
studio?
amazing, yeah. I got really used to the big Bernita. I really enjoyed working on it,
Oh, that's
and
good.
your space is really nice.
Yeah, this is the first time I've actually sewn on Mum's Bernina, and it's a very different operating system in the look of it. The operating basics are the same, but the look of the system is very different. So I was working like on muscle memory and just doing the things that I know how to do on this one without paying too much attention to it, and it was fine. It was really nice. So yeah,
That's good.
it's been really good. It is, like I say, 20 to 10, so I'm going to get this one home and I have to edit all of this for you guys for the video tomorrow. So I hope you've enjoyed the little bits and pieces that I have filmed. We're doing a little bit of kind of pottering in here tomorrow morning. You might get another sky done.
Oh, maybe? Yeah.
It'd be nice to finish all the skies.
I have
that
one
you
more
bought.
project that I
Yeah.
brought with me, so one more sky.
Yeah, but then we are going out in the afternoon for a little bit of an explore and a wander, and maybe some more fabric fondling. Mum wants to go to the fabric shop, which is awesome. I'm taking that opportunity for 100%. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the last couple of days, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.
Bye!